Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to Word. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Over here you can see here is one of my PDF file. I want to convert this into Word like this. Now to convert this PDF, first of all right click over here, go to Open With, choose another app and scroll down and go to this More Apps. Scroll down and choose this MS Word and hit OK. And you can see over here on MS Word, there is pop-up saying it will convert your PDF to editable Word document. Then just tap on this OK. And you can see our PDF is converted to Word file. If I want to edit this, you can see I'll select this first line and hit backspace and you can see it's gone. I'll press Ctrl Z and you can see it's back. That means we are able to edit this file. Now to save this as Word file, click on this file and save as and now to the same place where I saved it before, and you can see here is Word document and just save. Now if I cross this, so you can see here this PDF file is converted to Word file. So in this way we can convert a PDF file to Word. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.